How to make glowing text lyrics in CapCut step-by-step tutorial. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today I will be showing you how you can create a glowing text lyric video in CapCut. So let's get into it. Now, the first thing you want to do is click on New Project, and I have this video over here. It already has the sound embedded within it, but if you have a simple video, you can just click on Add, and then you can click on the audio section over here. You can click on Sounds, and you can import any sound from your device as well as get one of these recommended sounds. Usually they don't have any lyrics, so that's why I like to just go on ahead and continue with my video. Now, this video has audio as well, and I can simply click on text over here and click on auto lyrics, and I will click on original sound, and the song is in English, so I will just click on start. And this can actually generate me some automatic lyrics. Now, you can use this to create auto lyrics and format them later on as you like. So what I like to do is once I have my auto lyrics over here, I just like to place them how I want. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to resize them like this, and I will place it right at the center. And what I like to do is I like to click on batch edit, and batch edit allows you to edit them all together how you want. But the first thing I like to do is click on style and click on animation or effects first. And then I like to scroll down in the effects section, and you can see you have a bunch of different effects. So what you want to do is you want to click on luminance over here, and then you're going to scroll down and you can select this basic little glow function. So I like to take this one. It's super nice and simple. And I just like to select this filter over here and apply that to create my glowing lyrics. Now after that, I like to select it again. And what I like to do is I like to click on the style of my font, so you can choose to change that as well. But I just like to continue with the basic effect that I have. So I'm just going to go back and show you guys the one that I like to apply. You have multiple different glowing features available. And once you do that, you can go back into your fonts and you can change your font, and that's totally up to you. So let's say I want this font from over here. And then after that, what you're going to do is you can click on the color to change the color as you wish. So you can choose whatever color you want from the color wheel. I'm going to continue with a basic white over here because I want this to be nice and clean looking. And after that, you can also add shadows and add, more canvases, but I think this looks good. Now, some people might want their lyrics to appear word by word. So for that, what you can do is you can select the text over here and click on effects. You can click on animations over here, and you can choose how you want it to appear. So if you want the text to appear word by word, you can scroll down over here and you have a bunch of different effects like fly in, which enables you to make the text appear like it is flying in, or you also have other effects that enable you to write the text, so it could be spin in like that as well. And you can choose the type 1 of spin in and reduce the speed like so. And this will create a very smooth looking effect instead of it being, all present all together. Now, if you don't like these kinds of effect or animation styles, you can choose to remove the animations like that, and then add your customized captions second by second, so how the lyrics are appearing. So when the lyrics are appearing, you can change each of these captions. So let's say it says, "I need you, baby, to warm these lonely nights." So what I would do is I would move this section to over here and only have the first section of my text like this. And then I can enter the bottom section of my text as well. Now, another great thing that you can do is that you can make the text appear to the bottom. So let's say I have this section and I'm going to change the font style so you can see it properly. So if the text is appearing over here and you want the next section of your text to appear right below it, what you're going to do is you're just going to move this section like so, move it down below, and instead of this text all appearing over here, you're just going to move this one down below like this and extend this one to the end of the second one like so. And now what you're going to do is you're going to make sure that the placement is different for your text sections. And then what you're going to do is you're just going to go back And you can see it's overlapping. So to prevent the overlapping, you can just simply remove this. Click on this section over here. You're going to go back and you're going to click on add text over here. You're going to enter your text. So whatever is the second part of the lyrics, I need you, baby, to warm these lonely nights. So I'm just going to type that text like this, and I will click on luminance. I will make it the same font as the rest of my text, and I will enable this. Then I will remove the auto-generated text from over here, and I will just extend it like this, and then I will also resize it to fit my canvas like so. And now if I play my video over here, you can see this is what it's looking like. You can't hear the audio section right now because I am recording this video for you guys, but the audio has been synced to these lyrics as they are. Now, what I usually recommend in these kinds of sections is that when the transition for the next text is happening, you want to make sure it looks nice. So what you can do is you can click on lasting text to make the text last because you want it to appear as it is. So this is what the video is currently looking like, and you can choose to remove some of the lasting text later on, but because we want all our text to be lasting text, you can enter it like so. So if you want the top text to be lasting text as well, select the top text to go into the text section, and you're simply going to scroll ahead and you can click on animation, and you can go on ahead and apply the verbatim or whatever kind of animation you want. I'm using the type 1 in a very slow speed to enter the text. And then in this way, you can enter more text that you can formulate below it. So instead of having this appear over here, we're going to move it down and make it appear to the bottom. And now I can also click on this section of my text and move it ahead as well. And instead of making the bottom one as automated text, I can also enter this as a secondary text block instead of the automated text, which will enable me to separate it. So that is how simple and easy it is to create some glowing and interesting lyric videos using CapCut. It's not really that difficult and it can be done by anyone. And if you are doing this in a portrait frame style, so if you click on new portrait and click on stock videos, you can get a bunch of different basic stock images you can lay out your text on, as well as a interesting little stock footage like this. And you can use this first, and then you can enter your song and enter the lyrics in this glowing fashion to create interesting lyrics video for YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, Twitter, so on and so forth. And make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you have any questions or queries regarding CapCut, make sure to leave those in the comment box down below. Not only for lyrics videos, but you can also do this with native songs that are within your video. So you can take a video like this, go into your audio section, click on sounds, and you can import your sounds from your device or just use any sound that you might have. So whatever sound that you might want to add, and then let's say we want to add this sound, and then you can go back into your lyric section and you can click on add text and click on add text over here. And once you add your first section, you can just you don't have to apply the text font as it is. What you can do is once the first section of text is here, you can click on over here and click on add text like this. And we're going to place it down below like this, so it's going to appear. And we're going to make this into lasting text like so. So this is how it's going to appear. And then once you do that, you can simply click on the text selection that you have and click on the font styles. You can click on effects and click on luminance and apply the luminance effect to make your text glowy, just like that. And that is it. So I hope you guys found this video helpful, and I will catch you in the next video.